So this video is also an addendum to your other vocab, kind of driving home the point of triangle sums. It is touched on the other vocab, but I wanted to clarify a couple things about isosceles triangles as well. So you already do have this in your vocab right here. Just to make sure, triangle again is a polygon with 3 sides. You name them counterclockwise, so like ABC. Symbol, triangle, ABC. Again, here's our example of a triangle. I know you've seen it before. And we've also discussed this, the idea of a triangle sum. The sum of the measures of all the angles of any triangle is exactly 180 degrees. So this plus whatever this one is 180. Here we have a 90, right? A right triangle. Plus this is 180. Notice I can throw some algebra fun in there. And I will. You'll see that soon enough. As a reminder, an isosceles triangle. A triangle with 2 sides congruent. Also, opposite angles are congruent. So here's the crazy thing about these, and this is one of my favorite parts of this. So if I give you a triangle right here, and I say that it's isosceles, right? Again, because these 2 sides are equal, that means that these 2 angles opposite are equal. Not that one up top. That one is not equal to them. So if I were to say to you that, well, the measure of this angle right here is 40 degrees, and I want to know the measure of the other 2. Well, how do you get that? Well, you know, because these 2 sides are equal, that their opposite angles are equal. And if a total triangle is always 180 degrees, right, you can subtract off the 40 we already know, giving us 140, and then divide that by 2, because the other 2 are equal to each other. That makes this one 70 and this one 70. And again, if you add them all together, 40 plus 70 plus 70, that's our 180 for any triangle. I'm going to try to use that to trick you, just kind of warning you now.